Welcome back to Fab Automotive Detailing. You guys, this video, we're going to take a look at Vonix's Sintra bactericidal cleaner for the interior of your vehicle. Let's do it. All right, you guys, so let's go ahead and take a look at Sintra. But before we do that, if you are not subscribed to the channel yet and you like detailing videos, product review videos, ceramic coating videos, how-to videos, stuff like that, please consider hitting the subscribe button down below the video and then turn on the bell so every time I upload a video, you do get notified. So Sintra comes in two different forms on the website, you guys, and I will have a link in the description under the video where you guys can find both of these products on my website. You have Pro and you have Fast. The difference is Fast is ready to go. It's pre-diluted, ready to go. You don't have to do anything. All you have to do is put the sprayer in it that comes with it, and you are ready to do the cleaning that you want to do. Pro is a highly concentrated form that comes in 50 ounces, 50.7 ounces. The Fast is 16 ounces, 50.7 ounces, and you dilute it, and it gives you the proper dilution ratios depending on what you're wanting to clean inside the car. Cool thing about Sintra is that it's basically antibacterial. It's going to kill 99.9% of all germs in the vehicle, which is awesome, especially during this time. You know, everybody's still panicking about COVID-19 and getting sick and all that stuff. And we're going to be doing it on my buddy's sheriff's car. So this is a perfect vehicle that has people in and out of it all the time. He's touching people, touching his steering wheel, touching everything. So we're going to try to kill all the germs that are in this and clean it at the exact same time. I have been testing this. I absolutely love it. It works really, really well. And I'm going to show you guys here in just a second what the car looks like before. I'm going to show you, I've already cleaned a little bit on the passenger side, just kind of testing it out, see what I can do with it. And it's working absolutely fantastic. So in this video, you guys, we're going to be using the Pro version. I'm going to dilute it 5-to-1 in a spray bottle that I have. I will tell you that you can dilute this all the way up to 50-to-1 if you want to, just depending on what you want to clean. So it is a product that you can use in many different ways. It does tell you to use a brush or like an applicator or something like that. I have white wax applicators. I'm going to use that to show you guys the dirt that it pulls off, like the door panels and stuff. I'm going to give you an idea. And then we're going to use brush on like the floors and on the seats. I'm going to try to show you guys quite a bit of cleaning in this video using this product. That way you guys can get an idea of what you're looking at if you decide that you want to purchase this product. So let's get inside the sheriff's car. Let me show you guys what it looks like first, and then we'll start cleaning it. All right, you guys, so this is my buddy's sheriff's truck. It's a 2017 Ram, I believe. Let me show you. I got the light in the back here really quick. So we're going to clean this seat. I do notice there's some type of stain right there. This is like a leather, not real leather, vinyl, whatever. The floor, you see something got spilled there. This floor back here is not too bad, but wait until you see the driver's seat. I have the seat pushed all the way forward because I've been cleaning back there. Yeah, we're gonna clean this up. This is what the passenger side looked like before I started cleaning, so that'll kind of give you an idea. And then we'll do the best we can with this. Obviously, he works in this. He's constantly in and out of it. The door's gonna be scraped up. Nothing you can do about that. But let me show you the passenger side. So I just got done cleaning this. This looked just like the driver's side you just saw a minute ago. It looks really good. And all I am using is Sintra. I did on this plastic here, underneath the seat. Looks very good. I've not done the dash yet. I saved that for the video. I also did this right here. This is the back floorboard. Looks really, really nice. And then I did this door panel, which there's nothing to do about scuffs and scrapes and stuff like that. But it looks really, really good. You guys, this product's extremely easy to use. Let's get going. Let's do it. All right, guys, so we're going to clean this first right here. Try to get this mess up that's right here. A little bit of dirt right there, nothing major. Now what you want to do, you need a damp towel. So this blue one is damp with water, and then a dry towel to dry with. And then I have it diluted 5-to-1 in this bottle right here. And then we're just going to use a brush back here on the floor. No point in using any type of applicator. No point in using any type of applicator or something like that. All we're going to do, there's no weighting, which is cool. I'm just going to kind of soak it all down. We're just going to come in and we're just going to agitate. Very, very easy. It says to do circular motions. Very, very simple. You don't have to have a brush, but a brush definitely helps. Gets down in the grains, especially on door panels and like this floor right here. Okay, and we're going to take our wet rag. We're just going to wipe it down with the wet side. We're just going to take the dry towel Man, this leaves the surface is looking so nice. I'm really liking this product. Haven't tried a bad product from Vonix yet. And there you go, look how nice it looks. Looks really nice. Got rid of the coffee or Pepsi or whatever that was. Soda. Floor looks really good. And it looks really, really nice on it. Now what I want to do, I want to see if we can get rid of whatever this is. I'm not sure what that is. So let's just spray a little bit on it. That turned it really black. Okay, I think that did it. Oh yeah. Maybe just a little bit left right there. But that did a really good job cleaning that. Oh, there's a little bit right here. Let's see if we can do. Not quite sure what this is or what it would be. Now I'm not sure why they tell you to use a wet towel for your initial wipe, because I've done it dry without doing it and it seems to be okay, but just wanted to use it the way the directions tell you. I got rid of those black marks right there too. Oh, those are pin. I'm not sure what those were. All right, so what I've done here, you guys, I taped it off. We're going to use a leather and vinyl brush. I do sell these on the website also, you guys. I love these things. They're perfect for stuff like this. Now this is not leather, it's more of a vinyl. But I taped it off just to see if it makes a difference or not, because the seats look pretty clean for the most part. So let's just see. Just see what it does. See if we can see a difference. Love these because you can get this little point inside these little stitch areas. I did fold this inside out so it's a clean side, but it is wet. Okay, so you can see a difference, but it's gonna be really hard to pick up on camera, I think. You can see, there's the tape line right there. So it does a good job cleaning it, and it doesn't leave any type of like a film or greasy feeling. It just looks really nice, actually. So that did a really good job. I set us up a nice 50-50 because this seat back is actually pretty bad. I'm gonna show you guys what this can do on this also. I'm gonna take the wet towel, get it where I set that down. My microphone fell off. We're just gonna wipe. Okay, that's the wet towel. Just dry towel over here. Oh yeah, definitely a different color. Check this out. Whoa! See that line right there? You can really see it from this angle. They're right there. That looks really nice. And this is just darker. This is a lighter gray now, right here. Works really good. So I went inside, ate lunch. My wife got home for lunch, went inside, ate lunch with her. When I came out with the light on, you could see the line really well now. It's crazy the different color of gray this is than this. All right, you guys, so we're gonna move on to the driver's floor. I'm hoping you stay where you're at because it's really hard to find places to mount you inside here. And I'm just gonna do a small section to show you what it does. And then you guys can see it now, right? And then I will show you what it looks like when I'm completely done. But let's just go right in the middle, right where his feet are gonna be, all right? And we're just gonna take a brush and we're just gonna agitate real quick so that turns brown almost instantly. Okay, take a damp cloth, wipe that up, take a dry cloth, go right behind it. Look at that. Wow. Look at that. I don't want to set these on the seat, so I'll put them up here really quick out of the way. Look at that. Looked like that and that. That looks really good. And as it dries, it's just got a nice finish. And one thing I need to mention really quick, in case I forget, remember this is just a cleaner. No UV protection for your dashboard or anything like that. All right, you guys, so all finished. You can see it's really good. It's back to its original color black. Now, I didn't do this here yet. That's why it's shiny right there in the corner, but it looks brand new again. It's not slippery, nothing left behind. I went ahead and did the door sill also. So for this part of the cup holders, you guys, I'm gonna have to try to hold you in my hand. So we'll just do this middle one right here, the worst one. Because the laptop's in the way, I have nowhere to set the camera. The camera won't sit up here. I did clean this too. Oh, it's really nice now. So all we're gonna do, just get it nice and wet in there. We're just gonna take a brush, we're just gonna agitate it. And I did vacuum this out, by the way. The best that I could. Everything else was just stuck to it. Yeah, remember, this is his office. This is what he's in all day, every day. Not easy to do with that laptop there. Okay, wet brush, let's do a wet towel. Damp towel, I should say. This may take more than one go around. Yeah, look at that. But you guys will get the idea. I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. That looks way better, doesn't it? Yeah, and it really takes little to no effort. I gotta do that to all of this and the grain. All right, you guys, so cup holders are done. Best I can do with this laptop in my way and the stand. Not easily removable, but they look really good. Way better than before. And good enough for government work. See what I did there? All right, this is the last part that I'm gonna show you guys. You see the dash actually looks pretty clean. Just a little dusty, nothing bad. We're gonna do this section right here on camera. We're just gonna spray. I don't like getting this on windows. I don't like getting anything on windows that's not meant to go on windows. And we're just gonna use a white applicator, as you can see, new. And we're just gonna do circles just like it says in the directions, do circles. Look at that. This stuff pulls a lot of dirt out. Followed up with a damp towel. Dry towel. And it looks new. No shine to it at all. You're just seeing the LED lights that are up here. They make everything shiny. But they look clean until you see that. All right, you guys, so the interior is done. Let me show you. Door looks really good. The listen to me, the floors turned out amazing because as bad as they were when they got here, I didn't think that they would. Steering wheel. Everything looks very, very nice. Back here. Dashboard looks really good. And you guys, I used it on everything. Other than his laptop. Had to grab a flashlight. You see the floors look really nice. The vinyl seats are probably my biggest surprise of this detail. Is they look so good now. Didn't realize how bad they looked until I started cleaning. But the floors look amazing. I'm really surprised by that. The door sills. These doors are scuffed up, but they still turned out really good. All right, you guys, so that's about it for Sentra. I'm hoping I was able to show you guys, showcase what this product can do. I've been testing it for a while now. The more and more that I use it, the more and more that I like it. The smell has grown tremendously on me. It smells really, really good. It just smells like a clean interior. If that's the best way that I can really explain the smell of it, because that's important on an interior product. You don't want it stinking to high heavens in the interior. So you want something that's going to smell good, but it's not going to be overpowering, and that is this product right here. It says that it kills 99.9% of germs. Does it do it? I don't know. I'm not a scientist. I have no way to microscope to tell you, but I will take their word on it, and you can smell the cleaners in it. I'm sure that it really does what they say it does. I had this filled up to this line right here, so you can see how much I used on that truck. Not a ton. That is diluted 5 to 1 for the job that we did inside. The dashboard looks good. The back seat looks good. The floors look good. All the trim pieces, the door panels, everything just looked nice and new. Now I need to follow it up with a UV protection for him because this car is outside all the time and never sees the garage. It is constantly in use. So UV protection is very important, especially on a dashboard and black door panels and stuff like that. The sun's really going to bake on. So I need to follow it up with the UV protection. So Sentra did exactly what it's supposed to do. It cleaned, it made it smell good, and got rid of all the germs inside the car. That is awesome. If you guys are interested in Sentra and where you can get it, I'll put the links in the description on the video to my website, where you can find both versions of this product, the diluted version and the concentrated version. If you guys want to go and you want to check that out and give Sentra a try, I definitely recommend it. So I want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video and checking it out. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Join the Fab family. We'd love to have you. We'll see you in the next video.